I want to show you the books that made the most difference for me in terms of health and fitness. These are the three books, the Bhagavad Gita, Kybalion, and Tao Te Ching. Usually when you think about health, you think about nutrition, you think about exercise, and I read those books too. But with the Bhagavad Gita, I learned about facing the battles, doing the doing without attachment to results. With the Kybalion, I learned that all material manifestation is created by the mind. And with the Tao Te Ching, I learned to stay in flow with life. At the end of the day, I learned that the body is a physical manifestation of your thinking. And whenever you hit a plateau or the health or the body is not going in the direction that you want to go, you need to remember that it goes beyond the eating and exercise. The transformation of the body is a transmutation in the mind. So you need to go deeper and see what is the physical manifestation that my thoughts are creating. That to me is the secret, and that is what I learned with these books that made the most difference in my health and fitness. And if you want to learn these ideas and how to change thoughts and how to bring this balance between body, mind, and spirit, then we can dive deeper together. In 3 days, Health and Body Summit. 3 days with the best experts in the world teaching you about physical health, mental health, and spiritual health. And the best thing, it's for free. If you want to join me there, just click in the link in the bio, sign up, and I see you in the Health and Body Summit.